Astrid doesn't exactly sugarcoat it.
You must feel horrible. You've lost everything. Your father, your tribe, your best friend.
Thank you for summing that up.
She doesn't understand how someone could spare a dragon when it flies in the face of everything the village has taught them. So she asks.
So why didn't you?
And for the first time, Hiccup admits it out loud. He wouldn't do it. He wouldn't kill a dragon. He's been carrying that secret like a shameful weight. But Astrid helps him see it for what it really is. That moment in the forest, the one he thought proved he wasn't a Viking, is actually the moment that changed everything.